Hello guys, today we are going to learn about one-way table to represent data. Let's clear something first. If we talk about data, a set of information can be called as a data. Now, these data terms hold many power like for machine learning, deep learning, data mining, etc. These all are the streams we use data. Second, data table. A tabular representation of data is known as data table. For example, you can see a table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 cells. Horizontal representation is of row and the vertical represented is of column. A basic table look like this. It has 3 rows and 2 columns. With that, the name is known as individual and the age is known as variable. Individual has many dependencies, but individual is not dependent on anyone. Variable has dependency on individual. अभी हम आगे सरल तरीके से समझेंगे इसको. इसका कहने का मतलब ये है कि अगर हम जानना चाहें what is the age of सार्थक, तो पहले हम देखेंगे सार्थक किधर प्रेजेंट है, फिर अब देखेंगे उसकी एज क्या है. तो इसका मतलब ये होगा कि अगर हमें एज जाननी है तो पहले नेम को ढूंढना पड़ेगा. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि वेरिएबल डिपेंड है इंडिविजुअल पर, बट इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी टू हैव ओनली वन वेरिएबल. लाइक हियर you can see a 3 variables age, salary and gender and one individual that is name. So dependency of age, salary, gender are on name. What does that mean? If a question arises what is the salary of सार्थक, तो सबसे पहले हम सार्थक नेम ढूंढेंगे नेम में से, देन उसकी सैलरी देखेंगे. सो द वेरिएबल सैलरी इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन नेम. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट वेयर इज द सार्थक नेम प्रेजेंट एंड देन हिज सैलरी. एज, सैलरी, जेंडर, all these are dependent on name and name is individual. The counter question is always name of name. यानी कि अगर हमें वो पूछेंगे what is the age of आकाश or what is the salary of Harsh or what is the gender of Akash, all these is dependent. So what makes table one way? Everything depends on the individual. What is the age? What is the salary? What is the gender? All these. Counter question of this is which person? Counter question of which person? Like what is the age of Sarthak? Like this. And this is all about one-way table. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.